Hey, welcome to In a Nutshell, where we explain concepts from the world of design and innovation, very quick and very simple. So this time we'll take a look at change, or rather a strategy for personal change, if you feel you need to do things differently. So change is a gradual shift in thought and action. Change is a journey, and it's often the small steps that lead to big transformations. Understanding how to make change stick is crucial in a world that is always evolving. So here's a simple guide on how to navigate this process and navigate it effectively. Firstly, knowledge. Knowledge plays a pivotal role in change. The more you understand about what you're trying to change, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. Whether it's a personal habit or a workplace practice, diving deeper into the subject matter can open new doors of understanding and facilitate better choices. Your environment really influences your ability to change. Surround yourself with people and settings that support the new habits or behaviors that you wish to adopt. I mean, it's like trying to quit smoking while constantly being around smokers. It's bound to be more challenging, right? So altering your social landscape to align with your goals can make a world of difference. Emotions are powerful drivers of change. Sometimes an emotional response to a situation can prompt us to adopt new behaviors more effectively than any logical argument often. So whether it's a moving story, a film, a personal experience, emotional triggers can be powerful catalysts for change. Self-reflection, another critical aspect. So this involves honestly evaluating your current behaviors and how they align with the person that you aspire to be. This introspection can be a potent motivator for adopting new, more positive habits. Public commitment to your goals can also significantly impact your journey. Announcing your intentions to others really put your social credibility on the line, creating a powerful incentive to follow through. It's why people often share their New Year's resolutions, right? The public declaration itself, that's a commitment device. Replacing negative behaviors with positive ones. That's a practical approach known as countering. So this strategy involves substituting an unhealthy habit with a healthier alternative. For example, reaching for fruit when craving junk food. Your immediate environment should also support your change goals. Remove temptations that might derail your progress and set up reminders and cues that reinforce new habits. Don't forget the power of rewards. Rewarding yourself for sticking to your new habits can reinforce positive behaviors. It can be as simple as treating yourself to something special after achieving a milestone. Lastly, the support of colleagues, community, friends, family, that's invaluable. Sharing your goals with them not only increases your accountability, but also ensures you have a support system for moral and practical assistance. Remember, change is not always about making immediate, significant alterations. As noted by Damon Cantola, it's often about the right conversations with the right people, slowly spreading new ideas and behaviors. Change is a gradual shift in thought and action, often nurtured through the support of others. With patience and perseverance, the journey of change can lead to meaningful and lasting transformations. All right, that's it for now. We'll be looking at the topic of change in more episodes. Do subscribe to our channel and please leave a comment or a question. And keep changing, keep learning.